I'll be switching a Txv out today. So we are gonna do a pump down. So I have this liquid line shut already, and I have the suction side started. And once it drops down to 10 PSI, I'll start closing it rapidly, and all the liquid refrigerant will be stuck out here. All my hoses. So you know, the unit couldn't have been turned once. Just saying. There we go. It's finally out. So I don't lose my job. Thing brazed and connected. So after the repair, things are looking okay. I don't like the suction line, but it is 82 upstairs. But everything's looking good.